just wanna dance and feel good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to those who are just joining. In today's video, I'll just be showing you guys my microblading process. I actually did I microbladed my brows in South Korea a few weeks ago, well 2 weeks ago, while my husband Adam and I were on vacation. So yeah, I just wanted to share that information with you all, just in case you're interested or have been thinking about getting your brows microbladed. I do hope you enjoy. Okay, so guys, this was actually us on the subway in Korea trying to make our way to the eyebrow technician, and I just basically decided to take one last photo with no eyebrows because your girl was about to get a transformation. Okay, and here the technician basically just drew the eyebrows I desired. Okay, so I look like a crazy person right now, but this is actually numbing cream for my eyebrows. She put it on and then we rested for about 20 minutes in total before she actually started to do the work. Okay, so the process is about to get started here, and she is basically just going in with alcohol and a few different sanitizers, so she can keep the area clean. And she is also outlining the brows with a little ink, and afterwards she will just show me the color ink on my skin that she'll actually be using in the actual microblading process. Okay guys, so obviously this process is going to take a little while, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed this clip up a bit. But as you can see, she is now swabbing the color of the actual ink that my eyebrows will be on my forehead so that I can see and approve. So that is the brown that my eyebrows will appear in once they have healed properly. Okay guys, so here is where she actually started to put ink into my skin. As you can see, my eyes are opening very wide as she stroked the pen, and of course Adam is standing over me making all the faces, but I cannot laugh in this serious moment, so I'm just smirking a little bit. But I think the numbing cream was helping at this point. I mean, I could feel that she is stroking my skin, but I actually was not feeling pain. But as the process went on, I I did start to feel some amount of pain. I'm not sure if the numbing cream was actually wearing off, or it's because, I mean, constant needles are being penetrated through my skin. Okay, so this was what it was looking like after a few minutes. Basically, my brows are just wet with ink, and for some reason, I kept choking and I wasn't eating. Maybe a sign that I shouldn't do it, but I still went on. And yeah, then I think the first brow was finished, and she moved on to the other brow. In total, I think this took 2 hours and maybe 15 minutes. Okay, friends, and I think your girl has new brows now. This was immediately after, and I was just asking her if she had anything for the pain because my face was very, very stiff, and I could actually feel some sensations only around the brows. It was kind of like my face was not, the brow part of my face was not moving at all. So I was asking her for something for the pain, but she said that in a few hours, the pain would actually go away. It's just sensation from the needles and stuff. This picture was taken the morning after the procedure, and the little cream dots that you see on my eyebrow is the moisturizing cream that the technician gave me to moisturize my brows, to help them to scab off or to strip so that the natural color would show up. And this was supposed to be done over a period of 7 days, so 2 to 3 times daily for 7 days. And after 7 days, I would actually begin to see peeling. And a thing to note also, I was advised not to wash my face within the first 24 hours of getting the brows done, and for the period of 7 days after that, I was told not to wash my face by, scrubbing or even touching the brows. So the actual ink that you're seeing in the picture that is very boldly on my brows right now is actually going to strip away and reveal the natural color. And the creams that she gave me were these. It's Inoderm, and it's just intensive skincare. It's moisturizing cream to help moisturize the ink as it dries out and as it falls off.
Several days later.
But they're still peeling a bit slow, and I don't know if you can see, but I've been having crazy eyebrows. The technician said I should not, even if I see them like this, I shouldn't like scratch it off. I must just let them fall off. Just keep putting the ointment that she gave me on it. But it's peeling. I'm beginning to see the actual color that I chose to do the microblading. And it's looking a bit pale. I'm actually starting to prefer the actual ink that is now stripping than this. But I mean, it's still early, so I'll see. But right now I'm kind of yeah. So we'll check in once it is peeled completely to see what it looks like. So yeah. Alright guys, good morning. So this is what the brows are looking like on day 11. This one is almost completely stripped, just a little bit. And then this one is looking gross with a bit there and a huge chunk right here and a little up in here, but it's coming along and I'm starting to see the color. Still not sure if I like it, but we'll see once it's all stripped. So yeah, I guess we'll see you back when it's all gone. Alright, so this was about 2 days after the previous clip, and I think the brows are completely stripped now, and what you're seeing is actually how my brows will look for the next 1.5 to 2 years. So this picture here is day 13 of the brow makeover, and it is pretty much all stripped. I mean, scab is such a gross word, I can't even. So yeah, day 13, all the peeling was completely gone, and this is what they will look like. And yeah, I think I was a little iffy about, you know, how they looked while they were peeling, but now I can honestly say I like them. I mean, I could take a little more color, as in I would want the color to pop a little more, but this is basically how I would do my brows before I, you know, got the microblading. And in this clip, which I'm not talking to you in, it is actually what the brows look like at the 2-week mark. So today is Tuesday, it is the full 2-week mark here, and this is what they're looking like now. I actually went out today and I only have a little makeup on my face. I did not use brow pencil or anything, and this is what they're looking like, just naturally being microbladed and stuff. So I'm enjoying waking up and, you know, trying to head out and not having my face bare, because for me, I barely had eyebrows before. So whenever I go out on the road, I would actually have to pencil in a little brow action to allow my face to come together. So I'm actually grateful now that I don't have to do that. And of course, depending on how I feel, I'll fill it in a little with brow pens, but as you can see, it's not necessary. A little close up. Yeah, so that's what it's looking like. And for the technician in Korea offers a free touch-up in 3 months, but I'm not going back to Korea within the next 3 months. But she did say that if I do travel back there within a year, then I should message her and she'll be happy to give me my touch-up, because a touch-up is actually necessary. When I checked about this in Jamaica, they also recommended touch-ups after a period of 3 months. Some 6 weeks the earliest, but 3 months. So yeah, this is what they'll be looking like for a while, and I'm happy. What other information am I missing? Oh, the cost. The cost for doing the microblading in Korea was actually very reasonable, about the same price as in the US and also in Jamaica, because I paid like 300,000 won, and that's about 30,000 Jamaican dollars or 300 US dollars, and that is the standard microblading cost, you know. And wait a minute, I actually did not only microblading. Yeah, this was a 4D combination. So with regular microblading, you actually would not have ink placed into your skin. It would just be the shape of your brows. And then you have micro shading, which is only shading in as you would with an eyebrow pencil, but more permanent. And she offered a 4D combination, which is a combination of the microblading technique, where she's drawing strokes and creating a brow outline, and shading. So this is actually 4D. It's microblading and shading combined. So for the microblading only, it was 250,000 won, about 25,000 Jamaican dollars, and 250 US dollars. So I did a combination, so it was a little bit more. So that's what's happening here. My mistake, my bad. I apologize. Alright, so yeah, this is basically it. And of course, if I experience any problems with this operation. I'll be sure to let you know. You can see in the first picture of this video, my face was literally like, where are your brows, girl? But so yeah, that's basically it. That's all the information I can think about. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer based on my knowledge. And I'll link her Instagram page below. So yeah, and as I said, I know most of my audience right now is not Korea based, but who knows, you may travel to Korea one day. I may end up getting some Korea audience one day, and I just want to put that information out there. So if you do go, she's your girl. She's your girl. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I think I'm gonna stop it right here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to press that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for watching.